In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can download and install mods for Hytale step by step. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, if you have Hytale open, go ahead and close out of it and open up a web browser of your choice. And what we're going to do is use CurseForge. So type in curseforge.com, hit enter, and then select these like little three dots up at the very top, and then select download, or just select get CurseForge app and hit download standalone and wait for the installer to download. Once it does finish downloading, select on the installer and wait for it to load. You may have to hit next a few times and just continue through the download process. But once it does download, what you're going to want to do is actually go up to this Hytale section. As long as you have Hytale downloaded, it's going to pop up automatically. If not, you could specifically search for it, but essentially open up Hytale and go to the Discover tab right here or the Browse tab right here. And this is going to allow you to see all these different kind of mods that you can go ahead and download. Now, there's not too many available yet, but mods are being added constantly. To install a mod, essentially just find whatever one you want. For example, we'll go ahead and say, we want Lucky Mining, right? Hit install on it, and it's going to automatically begin downloading. And you can install multiple at the exact same time if you like. But from here, you just have to go back to this Hytale section, and you'll see your mods in here, where you're just simply going to want to go ahead and make sure it's in here. And you can create a group as well, but essentially just hit play up in the very top, and this is going to run the game, and it's going to automatically launch it. Hit play again, and when you get loaded into your game, you're going to have your mods enabled. As soon as you jump into your world, your mod will be ready to use, and it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.